So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I must welcome you to TechTalks.com. So today we are going to look at the keyboard and different parts of the keyboard and what are the functions of each part of the keyboard. So as you see here in this diagram, this is the keyboard. So as you see, this is our keyboard in this circle here. So this keyboard has different parts. As you see, we have the function keys, we have escape keys, we have the status lights, we have the main typing keyboard, and then we have the arrow keys, which is also same as the screen controls, cursor, and then we have the numerical or directional keypad. So to start with, let's look at the function keys. The function keys, of course, they run from F1 up to F12. That's F1, F2, F3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 12. So what does these keys do? The function keys, which are labeled from F1 to F12, they are located at the top of the keyboard, and they provide the quick access to specific computer functions, such as saving a file or adjusting the volume. So we're saying they do what? They provide quick access to specific computer functions, like if you want to save a file or if you want to adjust the volume. And then we have the escape keys. The escape keys, in short, as ESC. This one, it is found on top left corner of the computer keyboard, and it allows the user to abort or to cancel or close an operation. For example, if you are running a certain operation within the computer and then you want to cancel it, you want to abort it, then you just press that escape key, then the program will be canceled. So I'm saying, if you have any web page that is loading slowly or internet browser, and when you press the escape key, it stops the download or another service that is rerunning in the system. And then we have the status lights. This status light, what you need to know is that sometimes they are put there for to allow you to turn the light on and off. And some manufacturers just put there to provide a couple of brightness levels, and others have multiple brightness steps. So normally they are there to show that the keyboard is on, and they put the light on and off, and also provide some kind of brightness. And then you have the main typing keypad. Of course, this is where most of the typing is done. You have the characters A up to Z, which are just put random. And then we have also numbers. So normally this keypad, which is having the characters, we have the numerical numbers, and then we have other keys like the control, we have the shift, caps lock, we have the tabs, then we have the window function and alternate. So we have different kind of keys that you can use when you are typing or a document. So that's what these keys do. Then the other thing is about the arrow keys. Of course, we say sometimes they can be called like the screen controls. So these arrow keys, of course, I see they have arrows. They are showing up, down, left, and right. So these arrow keys, they are located in the bottom right corner of the keyboard, and they are used to move the cursor around the screen and navigate within documents and web pages. So normally, when you don't want to use like the mouse to scroll down the page when you are within the web pages, you can use this arrow keys to scroll to navigate your within different type of documents you're handling. Then the other thing is about the numerical keypad. Under the numerical keypad, of course, this is very important because we use it to enter numbers and perform arithmetic calculations such as plus, minus, division, and multiplication. And then because we say this is specifically, it has numbers, so when you want to enter numbers or input data type of numeric inside your computer, then you have to use this option here. Then you have the numbers and enter. Then if you want to have any other operators like the plus operator, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, then all those are found there. So caps lock, of course, I said we have caps lock. This is normally for enabling the capital characters to be in capital letters. And then so the tabs, of course, like switching within, like spacing within the characters and text values you are typing. So normally we have other key combination, like we have they are always on top of below the function keys and on top of the characters, where we have numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then we have 0. So like on key number 1 we have exclamation. On key number 2 we have a sign. On key number 3 we have the hash sign. Then we have the percentage on key 5. We have the dollar sign on number 4. We have the explanation on number 6. We have and on number 7. Multiplication 8. Then we have open parentheses and close parentheses on both 9 and 0. So all these are other keys which are used as a key combination. So when you want to use this, you can use with a Control or Shift, and then you apply the other one, and then you will have to perform what you want. So generally, this is our keyboard, and this is the main parts of the keyboard. So if you are still new and you are trying to learn how to use a computer, of course, we know a keyboard is one of the tools which is mostly important when you are entering, because it's an input device that is used to enter data inside the computer. And knowing or getting the knowledge on how to use a keyboard is very important. And we have seen different keys on the keyboard and what these keys do. The other thing is maybe how to do it practically. And for that, I would encourage you that you subscribe to our channel and register with our website, so that we can get in touch with you and show you how to do that practically, or have the live session where you can learn how to use a keyboard. Otherwise, I want to wish you well and encourage you to keep subscribing and sharing and inviting other members to learn, to come and learn with us at tabletalks.com. Otherwise, thank you. Let me see you in the next video.